Hello everyone, I'm Brian with Whistler, and today I have a special product to show you. What I have here is our special 50th Anniversary Edition Titan Extreme Performance Laser Radar Detector. This detector has all the bells and whistles. We're talking DSP technology for maximum sensitivity, traffic flow signal rejection, total band protection, and total laser detection. So you're definitely going to want to check this one out. Now, let's get this box open and see what's inside. Alright, so if we go ahead and open up the box, we'll see that the whole thing comes in this nice sturdy hard shell case. This is going to keep your radar detector protected when you need to store it or transport it. And if we go ahead and open it up, take a look inside. First thing you're going to want to take a look at is going to be your owner's manual. You want to give this a read. It's going to tell you all about the features and functions of the radar detector, and it's just a good way to get yourself familiarized with your new unit. We've also got in here a windshield bracket. In fact, it comes with two of these so that you can transport it from car to car when needed. You need to use it in multiple vehicles. And then it's also got a USB cable that can be used to connect it to your PC whenever you need to update your unit. And then we've also got a power cord over here. This is the IntelliCord, and what this is going to do is plug into your 12-volt outlet. And it's got a button over here on the side of the unit that you can use to remotely control some of the functions of the radar detector, as well as a USB outlet here so you can also plug in a cell phone or some other device. Alright, and then of course last but not least, we've got the radar detector itself, which comes in this nice velvet bag, which keeps it protected. And then if we take a look right here on top of the unit, we got printed a nice little 50th anniversary badge. Now, there's only going to be a limited number of these printed with this badge on them, so you want to make sure you go ahead and get yours while these are still available. Alright, now we'll take a closer look at this unit and learn about some of its features. Okay, so right on the top in the middle of the radar detector, we've got our speaker, so this is where all the sound's going to come from. Down on the front, we've got our 4 control buttons. We've got the dark button, the quiet, the city, and the menu. These are going to control all the different functions of the radar detector. Toward the back on the top here, we've got these 2 periscope LEDs. These are going to flash and light up whenever you do receive a radar or laser signal. Now, right here on the front of the radar detector is where we've got our screen, and this is where all the text is going to show up to let you know what's going on with the radar detector. Then if we look over here on the back, it may be a little bit more difficult to see, but we've got the radar lens and the laser lens. And then right above those here in the middle, there's a little slot, and this is where your windshield bracket's going to go. So what we can do is we can take that windshield bracket and insert it, and if we push it all the way, it'll click and lock into place, and that's in there and it's not going to come out. So if we look over here on the side of the unit, we've got this button here toward the back. This is going to be the windshield bracket release. So if we press and hold that, now we can go ahead and take the bracket out of there. Then down here on the front, we've got the power and the volume control. This wheel is going to turn one way for volume down, one way for volume up, and then if you press in on the button, it will operate the power switch. If we take a look over here on the other side, we've got our 12-volt power port right here. This is where you're going to plug in your 12-volt power cord. We've got a USB port right here on the front. This is where you're going to plug into your computer so that you can update the radar detector. And then right below that, we have a 2.5mm audio port for external audio. Okay, so this is the new Titan radar detector from Whistler. We'll have another video soon that goes more in depth into the features of this unit, including some of the new features on there that make it special and set it apart from the rest of our detectors. If you want to know when that video is available, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. In the meantime, you can check out our complete line of products at our website at whistlergroup.com. Thanks for watching.